Yeah, can you cut it for me?
For who?
It just was on sale.
Really? I tested positive? Oh, for real? Shut up.
I'm serious, look.
Oh, damn. Pregnant. So they work. So are you happy now? Have you told anybody?
So today I am 5 weeks and 3 days. I don't plan on telling everybody until I'm around 12 weeks. So I just wanted to talk about like my symptoms, and I actually did my makeup for this. Well, I look pretty plain, but I actually put like foundation on and stuff because I rarely do anymore, and not just because of like I found out I was pregnant. I just rarely ever, sorry, I'm just like not comfortable with how I look, honestly. I just feel kind of ugly. I found out I was pregnant on the 19th of August, and I, based off my last menstrual period, that would have put me at about 3.5 weeks, which is really early to find out that you're pregnant. I was actually, how many days was that? Like 4 days before my period was actually due. So I've known since then, and my symptoms started coming on, and that would be like being nauseous, being really tired. That actually hasn't gone quite all the way away, but my symptoms did kind of stop about 4 days ago. Not stop completely, but like kind of just died down a little bit, to where like I still get kind of nauseous, but it's not like, oh, I want to throw up. I still get really bloated. So I've taken like a million drug tests. I mean, oh my gosh, a million. I don't know where that came from. I'm not doing drugs. A million pregnancy tests. And these ones have gotten like kind of old and caca. Let's see if I can see. Does that help? And so these are the first ones that I took on the 19th. Yeah, that's how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So I've taken 6 tests, and they're all positive. Anyway, so I have my first appointment next Thursday, the 10th, September 10th, and hopefully I'll be like almost 7 weeks then, and hopefully that we can hear the heartbeat.
Yep, there's baby. Little heartbeat right there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah. It's for real.
Hello. So we are on week, let me look at my Fitbit, 8, week 8, day 6 of this pregnancy. And I just wanted to do a little check-in because I think, 5 weeks was the last time I even talked about this. And so I don't know, I can't remember if I was saying I wasn't having any symptoms then, but I did start getting symptoms, but still not as like bad as they were with my daughter. With my first pregnancy, that was probably my worst pregnancy as far as symptoms. My son wasn't that bad, and this one feels similar to that one. So just really tired all the time. I do get the nausea, and it's mostly like if I don't eat or if I start eating too much, I get really nauseous. But mostly I would say the fatigue is what's really getting to me. So I'm actually wearing makeup today, but I rarely do anymore because, well, first of all, there's nowhere to go. But second of all, like, I just have no motivation. I'm really tired, but I also have just like no motivation to do anything. Like anything. Like, I don't want to clean. I don't want to cook. I don't want to work. I work from home, but I still don't want to work. Like, I just feel like my brain is just tired all the time. But anyways, we did have our 6-week scan, and I'll put pictures in here, and everything was good. There was a heartbeat, and I was measuring at like 6 weeks, 3 days. So my due date is May 1st, which is actually my birthday. But I don't think that our baby will come on my birthday or even in May. I truly think that the baby will be born earlier, like in April. But that's just based on like my other kids coming earlier than their due date. So that's where we're at. I haven't checked in because I've just been really tired and feeling out of it. And you know, just, and then some days like I feel great, like I feel 100% like myself, like normal. I forget I'm even pregnant at the moment. And on those days, then on those days I start worrying like why don't I have symptoms. So it's just like being pregnant is like a roller coaster, and it like doesn't end. So yeah, I've just been trying to keep my head above water and try to stay awake, really. So, sitting outside eating my Hot Pocket. Sorry if it looks gross. It does look gross. I realized I haven't done a update on my pregnancy. And I'm currently 11 weeks and like a few days. So my symptoms are still on and off. But today they're on. The last 2 days they were off. And I worked and I started feeling really dizzy. Like really dizzy. And nauseous. And so I couldn't do it. I clocked out. I told my boss I don't feel good. I haven't really called in sick this first trimester like at all. If I know I need like time for an appointment or something, I make up my time or I use my time like I plan it. But today was not one of those days. I worked for a little bit, but I told my boss I was like, I can't. I feel like I am getting better though with the morning sickness. It's just today is weird, like it's the dizziness, but I'm pretty sure it's because I'm not drinking enough water. Story of my life. But I don't ever drink water even when I'm not pregnant. It just feels like such a chore to me. But I'm drinking it because I know it's important for the baby to grow and all that. So I have my water here. I do have a little bit of Coke, but I usually will like drink half of one of these in a day. Surprisingly, I'm not like drinking Coke like I normally would, or even soda, period. Like I'll have like 1 cup a day, if that. But I do need some kind of caffeine because I'm really tired most of the time. I have my 12-week appointment on Monday, and they're gonna do the genetic testing, which will also show the sex, the gender of the baby. As far as the gender goes, me and my sister talked about it, and she wants to do like a gender reveal type thing. It's my third child, and it's not a really big deal. Like I would just find out, but I'm gonna let her do it because it might be our last baby and it'd be fun to do. I look tired because I have no makeup on, and I never wear makeup, and that's crazy because I used to wear makeup like every day, even if I was home. But I just can't be bothered. I'm getting old to where I don't care. Oh my gosh. Hey, sorry, I got distracted. There was a hawk. We have pigeons, if you guys don't know. And there's a hawk, and they eat the pigeons. But anyways, it flew down, and it was standing on that fence by the pigeon coop because they're all in there. So yeah, that's why I was freaking out. One last thing. I feel like I'm talking a lot on this one, but there's just a lot of stuff I want to update. I got one of these Fetal Dopplers, and I basically just bought it from somebody online who was selling it because these can run for like $100 brand new, and I got it for $20. So I got this because I wanted to be able to check on my baby's heartbeat in between visits, and I was able to hear the baby's heartbeat. I will insert a clip. This was at like 11 weeks 2 days. yeah, I basically check it every day. If you don't have the gel, I just use this aloe vera gel, and yeah, it works. Gives me the peace of mind that I need.
Okay, this is the baby avocado.
I'm gonna stand over here so I don't get hit.
That's the daddy avocado.
Okay, you ready? That's right.
Yeah.
Hit more. Hit it.
Oh man. It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Yay.
It's a boy. That's what we thought.
Oh my god. And have another nephew.
And there's blue.
There's too many girls around here. We gotta cut it out.
Oh.
Aw, thank you guys for joining us.